Welcome back all. Today, let's take a look at the COSRX Snail Mucin 96% Power Repairing Essence. It has garnered high praise as a top-rated hydrating serum for the face, boasting an impressive overall rating of 4.6 out of 5. Customers are genuinely satisfied with its performance, particularly appreciating its unique ability to hydrate the skin and address issues such as dullness and fine lines. The standout feature of this essence is the snail secretion filtrate, a distinctive ingredient that sets it apart from other skincare products. Users have compared it to other Korean skincare options and consistently found it to be superior in terms of effectiveness. The essence has become a popular choice for those seeking to enhance their skin's hydration and overall texture. Key points highlight the essence's lightweight texture, ensuring quick absorption into the skin without leaving any sticky residue. Users note its capacity to provide deep and long-lasting hydration, leaving the skin plump and dewy. Additionally, many have observed a reduction in redness and irritation, making it a suitable option for those with sensitive skin. Over time, users have experienced improvements in the brightness and evenness of their skin tone. Positive aspects include the essence's quick absorption, long-lasting hydration, ability to reduce redness and irritation, and its impact on improving the skin's tone and brightness. While some individuals may harbor skepticism about the snail mucin ingredient, and it may not work for everyone's skin type, these concerns are outweighed by the essence's overall positive performance. A few considerations include the perception of a relatively higher price point for some users and the scent, which may not be universally appealing. Despite these minor considerations, the COSRX Snail Mucin 96% Power Repairing Essence remains a popular and effective choice for those seeking advanced hydration and skin texture improvement. Looking forward to our next encounter. Take care until then.